Hello, kids. I heard that you wanted some cake.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
What's your name?
Savannah.
Savannah? Do you like pound cake?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait to sit down and get that.
Hey, what's your name?
Cinderella? Oh, Samera. Samera? Hey.
Today we'll be making sour cream pound cake, one of my grandma's favorite and one that I learned.
Okay, now we gotta preheat the oven to 325 and the cake will cook for an hour and 20 minutes.
Hey, Crow.
Yeah, what is it?
Hey, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna go look for Chronic the cat.
Yeah.
We'll be back before you finish with the cake, okay?
Okay, that's cool. Make sure y'all get back in about an hour and 20 minutes.
Okay.
Wait for me. Okay, why don't y'all come on over here so I can show you how I make a pound cake. Sour cream pound cake. Okay. First, what we'll need is 3 cups of flour, sugar, okay, and then I will need 2 sticks of butter, teaspoon of vanilla. I use the powdered sugar after the cake is done. I sprinkle it on top of the cake, and we're definitely gonna need 6 eggs. Now, first, what we'll need is to powder our bundt pan because you don't want your crust sticking to the pan when it gets done. I'm gonna put some powdered sugar in here. A lot of people use flour. You can use whatever you want, but I use powdered sugar because it works just as fine. It's snowing. It's snowing. Okay, now I'm gonna need a bowl for the eggs. Savannah, do you mind? And we're gonna need 2 sticks of butter. Oh, you read my mind. All right. And so what I do, I microwave my butter to melt it real quick. We'll get that out the way, and then you're supposed to put eggs one at a time. But I'm gonna mix them all together first before, and then I pour a little at a time while mixing. Okay. So here's 6 eggs. Okay. Now, first we start off with the sugar. 3 cups of sugar. Now, I'm going to put my 2 sticks of butter in the sugar. Okay, now I'm going to put the butter and the sugar, the 3 cups of sugar and the 2 sticks of butter in the blender. We're going to mix that up until it gets nice and creamy. Okay, while we're doing that, I got to get my flour ready and my baking soda. Teaspoon of baking soda, 3 cups of flour. After I cream the butter and sugar, I'll put in my 8 ounces of sour cream. Now I'm going to add a little bit of flour, not all at once, just a little bit of flour. And you remember my 6 eggs? I'm going to put a little bit of my eggs in there and then alternate until it's all gone, until all the flour is gone. I like to put 2 teaspoons. I like a little more vanilla flavor in my pound cake. Let it start for about 5 minutes, 5 more minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the mix, the cake mix, into that's right, bundt pan. Now I'm gonna put the cake in the oven for an hour and 5 minutes. sour cream pound cake is done.
Yummy!
Hey crew, we're back. Hot and moist sour cream pound cake. Crust is sweet and ready to eat. Oh crew, that look real good. Oh man. Oh. Now, you can eat the sour cream pound cake with ice cream or whipped cream. You can have it for breakfast, with your coffee, or lunch, for a snack, or dinner for dessert. Whatever you like.